we already have some very nice LEDs here, but these halogens are not so nice. So today we're gonna change that. Because you're doing this with one hand, not so easy. So apparently I think this is the one we remove on this side, and then over here, there it is, right there. So I'll need to remove this one. I think I only have 2 pop clips or whatever they're called. Now I don't want to jinx myself like I did last time, but apparently it's going to be a pretty easy install. Also, quick questions for you guys who know, is this supposed to be like this? The oil filter? With oil dripping up of this thing? Is it good or not? Please let me know in the comments. But here, I think. Oh no, that's not it over there. It's right here. Okay. Here, then. Oh, okay. There we go. Do you think it even comes with gloves? Okay, maybe next time. And by the way, the ones that I'm using are Oxidos. For those of you wondering, these are the I-beams. Like I said, the low beams are already LEDs, so I don't have to do anything. Alright, so how do I mount these? Here is our cord, but I want to put this in first. Like so. Ah, there you go. I got it. Just like that. Straight. And then click. Okay, let's see how it looks. Then holy moly. Okay. So these are the low beams. Look at the difference. Woo! This is before ancient technology, and this is after. Hey, nice. And you can clearly see the difference over there. All right, let's move on to the right side. Thankfully, those are the only 2 clips that we need to remove. Very easy and simple. Wait. Oh yeah, this is it. This is it. Okay, so this. Whoop. About then. There we go. This is one old technology, and here's the new one. Aha. Oppo EE. Woohoo. Boom. Alright. Boom. Just like that. And while I'm at it, I want to replace this air filter. Yeah. This is like one of these iPerformance one. I don't know. Anyway, I've had this thing in my car for like 2 weeks. This is the new one. Holy moly. There's some leaves. Dead leaves. Over here, oh my god. Which side do you put this in? Like this? No, like this. Yes, like this. Oh my god, those dead leaves. Anyway, well, I'm just gonna leave it there. It's fine. I think so. Hopefully. Boom. Easiest install I've ever done, people.
Even easier than the LEDs in the interior. Like, way easier.
Alright. There you have it. Then hot water.
I'm sure some of you are going to judge me for this, but I don't care. I've been doing this for years. Some of you are going to consider this sacrilegious. Just do one here. I have no shame. Again, only doing this home. Alright. Now it's time to play some video game news. It's crazy because a few years ago, when I was in the US, I had all the time to play all the games that I wanted. And now I have, well, I still have time to play, but I mainly play this one. 452 hours on this game. I love it. I absolutely love it. This is my comfort game, like I told you last time. Project Cars 2, 700 hours on this. Yeah, those are the main two games that I play for comfort, especially on Monday and Tuesdays. What I'm playing right now, what I'm trying to finish, is Dead Space. I'm trying to get the platinum on this one. I'm thinking about replaying Horizon 2 on New Game Plus in the hardest difficulty. This is my favorite game that I own right now, PS5. This is my absolute favorite. I absolutely love it. They did such a good job on this one. You know, in order for me to get to where I need to be on this channel, I needed to make some sacrifices. That includes the gaming channel. That channel, the main reason why I can't upload on that channel is time, and also my mic. My mic is broken for the computer, so I can't do live commentary. It'll sound terrible. But even then, even if I could, the only type of videos that I'll upload on that channel are multiplayer games or multiplayer matches. So like fighting games, racing games, that kind of stuff. No more playthroughs, because that would take me all the time, and that I cannot do that anymore with this channel. Absolutely not. But you know, I'm fine with that. Alright, let's play some video games, people. Well, I guess that's it for now. We are going to watch some animes. Well, I mean, to finish up is Summertime Rendering, which I'm rewatching right now because even when if you watch it once and you pay attention, there are going to be some things where you're just like, how did this happen? Why did this guy did this? How did this get to this point, right? Those were some of the questions that I personally had, so I rewatched it, and right now I'm like episode 23. Highly recommended. Summertime Render, really really good. When I'm done with this, I'm thinking about, oh, I have so many, because right now I don't watch weeklies anymore. Oh, I've been doing this for a long time now. One of the shows that made me decide, okay, I'm just gonna watch when everything comes out, wasn't actually an anime, it was The Boys. When I watched that the first time, the first season came out, amazing. That's my favorite TV shows right now. The Boys, absolutely, hands down my favorite. On my watch list right now, the animes I'm planning on watching, I'm finishing Your Eternity. I stopped at episode 13 of the second season. And then after that, I need to watch Blue Lock, Trigun, Nier. Oh, Vinland Saga season 2. Oh, of course! Bungo Stray Dog season 4. Of course. Completely forgot about that. Man. Oh, also, Jesus, I'm forgetting so many. My Hero, season 7 or 6. I don't remember which one it is, but I need to watch that too. Today, I wasn't actually supposed to install the high beams. I was supposed to go on a mini road trip, and then as I was preparing yesterday, the Holy Spirit told me, nope, don't go. Then when that happens, I'm like, why? But at the end of the day, when the Holy Spirit tells you not to do something, oh boy, you better not do it. So I was like, okay, I'm not going. And this morning, the high beam showed up. The mini road trip is still on the list, but I don't know when that's going to happen. I'm going to try next week because I don't know if you know this, but every single week you have at least one video on this channel, and that is something I am trying to do, to make at least one video. When we are in a good week, when there is a lot to do, 2 videos. But so far, I mean, right now I'm saving, so it's gonna be a bit slow. So 1 video per week, but at least you guys get something to watch. Oh no. I was about to, like I said, watch Summertime Render, but then here I am firing back up Project Cars 2. I'm not finding any rooms to play, so well, I guess Summertime Render it is.